Hey, what's going on guys, this is Mandik here, and in today's video we are going to be doing a short review as well as unboxing of MI basic in-ear headphones. So as always, the link will be in the description. This is the matte black variant and let's get started. So boxing experience is pretty normal. There isn't any fancy things in it. You just get earphones as well as some extra earbuds. The wire is not that strong. Considering the price at which this comes, I don't think this wire should have been given, but again, it's decent. If you use it properly, it won't give you any problem. You get small buds as well as large buds, considering that you get the medium ones pre-installed on the headphones. These earphones are pretty good. You also get a mic in it, considering some of the earphones, for example the Skull Candy earphone at this price range, it does not give you the microphone. You also get a single button so that you would be able to get calls by it, and you would also be able to change the track if you are listening to music. The bass is pretty good. It was actually amazing considering the price range it comes in. I tested it out and it was, I compared it with a Sony earphones, and that cost almost like around like 6,000 rupees, and the bass was almost similar. I think considering the price range, you should buy them. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Mandik, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.